Thank you for joining us for the unboxing of the new HP OmniBook X with the new Intel Ultra X7 processor. First, we want to thank you for joining us today. As a reminder, you can register for free on the Tech Insights platform to follow along with this teardown and access additional free content, including other videos, insights, and reports from Tech Insights experts and market analysts. This is the HP OmniBook X, powered by one of Intel's new Panther Lake processors. The laptop used in this video has the Intel Core Ultra X7-358H processor with the integrated Intel Arc B390 GPU. The HP OmniBook X supporting materials includes a 100-watt USB-C power delivery charger. The OmniBook X charger is small, compact, and weighs 174.7 grams. The OmniBook X has 3 USB-A ports, 2 USB-C ports, one which supports Thunderbolt specifications, as well as a single HDMI port. The HP OmniBook X has an EyeSafe-certified 16-inch OLED touchscreen display with a 3,840 pixel by 2,400 pixel resolution and a listed refresh rate of 120 Hz.